Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Selenium Town. In today's video, I'll guide you through setting up Selenium in Eclipse, so you can start automating websites. We'll go over how to add the necessary Selenium jar files and driver executable files, to get your environment ready for web automation. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up project folders in Eclipse. Since I already have a Java project named Selenium from the last video, I'll use that for this setup. But if you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new Java project. Let me delete existing packages and classes, so we can start fresh. Let's create folders to organize our project files. In Project Explorer, right-click on your project file, select New, and then click on Folder. Name the first folder Driver and click Finish. Repeat this process to create two more folders, naming them Test Data and Get Screenshots. These two folders we will use in future to do data-driven testing. Step 2. Download Selenium jar files and driver executables. For that, open your browser and type selenium.dev, then click on Download option. So when you click here, a zip file, containing the Selenium jar files, will automatically download. Now, let's download the Firefox driver executable, known as Gecko driver, to enable automation with Firefox. Now, let's download the Chrome driver executable to enable automation with Chrome. Copy the link, open new tab and paste the link, and click on Enter to download the zip file. Now, let's download the Edge driver executable to enable automation with the Edge browser. Step 3. Extract zip files and add them to your Selenium project. Open your download section in File Manager and extract all the zip files. Now, let's add jar files to your project. For that, open your Eclipse. Right-click on your project file and go to Properties. Go to Java Build Path. Go to Libraries and select Class Path. Click on Add External Jars, locate the Selenium jar folder and select all jar files. The Selenium jar files have been added successfully, and now it's time to add all the driver executable files to the driver folder in our project. For that, just locate the executable files, copy them, and paste them to driver folder of our project. By this, we have successfully added the necessary Selenium jar files and driver executables to our project. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Selenium Town. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.